Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, let's talk about what's been happening with Chainlink and why the price has been going down recently. If you're holding Link right now, you've probably noticed the drop. It's been painful to watch. Link's price has been falling over the past few days, and a lot of people are confused, worried, or even selling. Right now, the entire crypto market is down, and it's not just because of some technical reason or bad news in the crypto world. It's mostly connected to global politics, specifically, a new economic move by Donald Trump that's shaking up financial markets across the board. On April 2nd, Trump made a huge announcement about adding global tariffs. He called it Liberation Day, and it includes a 10% baseline tax on all imports into the US. But that's not all. For countries like China, he's proposing a massive 60% tariff. Yes, 60%. And other countries like Japan, the EU, India, and South Korea are also getting hit with high trade taxes. So what does that mean for us? Well, anytime major trade wars or global economic uncertainty starts building up, investors get nervous. That nervous energy quickly spreads across stock markets and even hits crypto. When people feel uncertain, they stop taking risks. That means they start pulling money out of things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. So even though Chainlink hasn't done anything wrong, its price is dropping because of this bigger market fear. Now focusing on Link specifically, its price has dropped nearly 18 to 19% over the last week. At the moment, it's moving somewhere around the $13 range, which is a pretty sharp drop considering it was above $16 not too long ago. A few things contributed to this. First, Chainlink broke below a key support level around $14, and when that happened, a lot of short-term traders and bots started selling. That kind of technical breakdown adds pressure fast. Also, there's been some whale activity. Big Link holders moved large amounts of tokens to exchanges, which usually means they're preparing to sell. This always creates panic because people start assuming a dump is coming, and that leads to more sell pressure from smaller holders. So when you combine all that with the global market fear from Trump's tariff news, it makes sense why Link took a hit, even though the fundamentals are still strong. While the price is going down, the Chainlink project itself is doing better than ever. In the same week that everyone's panicking about the price, Chainlink made some major moves that are actually huge for adoption and long-term growth. First of all, PayPal has officially added support for Link in the US. That means you can now buy, sell, and hold Link directly through PayPal. This is a big deal. PayPal isn't some small crypto startup. It's one of the biggest payment platforms in the world, with millions of users. For Chainlink to be listed there shows just how seriously people are starting to take this project. But that's not even the biggest update. A company called WhiteRock has just integrated Chainlink's Oracle system to bring live NASDAQ stock prices onto the blockchain. So now, people can use real-world, verified stock data to trade tokenized stocks on-chain, all powered by Chainlink. That's the kind of real-world use case that gets me excited. We've been saying for years that crypto needs real-world connections, and now we're seeing that happen through Chainlink. And it doesn't stop there. Aave, which is one of the biggest DeFi protocols out there, just integrated a new Chainlink feature called Smart Value Recapture. This tech helps DeFi platforms collect profits from liquidations and recycle that value back into the system. It's super efficient, and it shows how much top DeFi players trust Chainlink's technology. So here's where I stand. Yes, the price drop sucks. Nobody likes seeing their portfolio go red, but this isn't the first time we've seen a dip like this, and it won't be the last. What matters more to me is the fact that while all this market fear is happening, Chainlink is pushing forward like nothing's wrong. It's still signing big partnerships, it's still expanding its tech, and it's still leading the space when it comes to oracles and real-world data. I honestly think this dip is temporary. Just like we've seen before, the market will bounce back, and when it does, projects like Chainlink, the ones with real utility and real adoption, will rise the fastest. I'm not selling my Link. In fact, if it drops any further, I might even pick up a little more. Looking ahead, I still believe Chainlink is one of the few crypto projects that can survive anything the market throws at it. It's already integrated into over 1,000 platforms. It's powering the data layer for DeFi, TradFi, and even governments in the future. I think most people are sleeping on just how much Chainlink is doing behind the scenes. We always talk about wanting to invest in the future of finance. Well, this is what it looks like. It's not flashy or hype-driven. It's deep infrastructure work. And in my opinion, the price will eventually catch up to the value Chainlink is creating. It might take a few months, or even until the next big bull run, but I'm confident it's coming. So that's where things stand right now. Link's price is down, but the project is stronger than ever. This current dip is being caused by global news and short-term panic, not because of any weakness in Chainlink itself. In fact, everything they're doing, from PayPal to Nasdaq to Aave, just proves how important Chainlink is becoming in this space. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you holding, buying the dip, or waiting for a better entry? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.